Trading Bitcoin for profit. Real Bitcoin trading strategies, how-to tips and tricks.
Disclaimer. This is meant purely for informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information is up to you. The video, channel, and associates cannot be held liable for any outcomes by taking action on information provided. Also, any referral links can possibly lead to the creator of this content receiving compensation. Thank you for your support in advance. Enjoy.
Do you need more information on trading Bitcoin for profit tips and tricks? Well, you have come to the right place. Here you will find some practical advice that can help you with your Bitcoin trading strategies overall. Bitcoin is really hot now, and some people believe that it will end up taking over more standard forms of currency eventually. What makes Bitcoin so exciting is that it isn't currently regulated by any specific government or administration, so it is free to grow and change as the needs of its users changes. This makes it more volatile than other currencies and less stable, mainly due to the fact that its value can change literally overnight. So let's get into the 2 trading strategies for making your next trades more in your favor. Number 1, don't just do what everybody else is doing. For example, you see everyone checking out a new pair of skates simply because they are new, but have not had enough reviews or a good amount of time to really prove themselves. But because a few celebrities have endorsed them, everyone seems to be talking about them, versus another pair of skates that have been around a while and have proven reviews to back them again and again. Though your friends and everyone else keep talking about the new skates, what is really best in your favor? No one wants to be the last to get in on a trend, but sometimes going with something less popular but overall good can be more beneficial. This example is to point out you should always do your homework and really research what is the best option. You may find out that you have to do the exact opposite or be a contrarian, go against what others are doing to really reap the best benefits. What is the best way to do this? This brings us to tip number 2. Tip number 2, use these tricks and tips when trading Bitcoin for profit. When people are panicking, look for places to buy. So if you see a lot of people starting to sell their Bitcoins all of a sudden, this could be an opportunity to buy. And then once you have the Bitcoin, you can let them increase in value. And then when the market is right, you can sell them higher. This is thinking long term. Only ride a trend if you can get in early. Don't chase highs. So look around online and see what people are saying. Check Reddit, Twitter, and other social media. What are the general mass of people taking action on? This could be your prime opportunity to take advantage of the market before others even see it coming. Be conservative and watch where you exchange. Realize that 99% of Bitcoin exchanges are happening on one of the 4 sites: bitstamp.net, btc-e.com, bitfinex.com, and mtgox. You want to be on one of these since they are well known and have good reputations. These real Bitcoin trading strategies, how-to tips and tricks can really help you do better in the short and long term. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bonus. Don't miss out on the special offer to get $10 worth of free Bitcoins with the following link at http://bit.ly/Coinbase time. Again, it's http://bit.ly/Coinbase time. And don't forget to check out the other Bitcoin goodies in the description box.